perfect blend of form and function, MasterCraft's towers provide strength, security, and style. All towers come with standard clamping board racks, color customization, and speaker options. Now let's break down our tower offerings. Standard on all models, the Z6 tower uses shock assist to make raising and lowering the tower an easy task for one person. Locks are located on both tower legs to firmly secure the tower in place and then quickly release when folding the tower is necessary. Available on the XStar S and all XT and X models, the Z8 tower is the easiest manual tower to operate in the industry. Equipped with MasterCraft's patented HydroLock technology, the Z8 has a release button that activates a hydraulic fluid system in the tower leg when you're raising or lowering the tower. This allows the tower to lock in place when the button is released, no matter what position it's in. MasterCraft's fully automatic Z10 power tower allows owners to raise and lower the tower with just the push of a button. The Z10 controls are located by the driver's wireless phone charger. To raise the Z10, simply press and hold the tower up switch. When you're ready to stow your tower away, simply press and hold the tower down switch. And unlike screw-driven power towers, our Z10 actuates in seconds with hydraulic pumps for faster stowing. The Z10 is available on the XStar S and all XT and X models.